In this video, you will learn how to check the daily sync job in the Landscape Management app, and how to maintain a CCC S-user for global ultimate customers. Landscape Management in SAP Cloud ALM is the central repository for all your subscribed cloud services, SAP private cloud systems, on-premise systems, and business services. This information is the basis for all apps in SAP Cloud ALM. On-premise systems are not automatically imported but need to be registered or manually created depending on the solution. For this, you can find detailed, solution-specific setup steps in the Expert Portal. Subscribed cloud services and private cloud systems are imported automatically into SAP Cloud ALM if they are assigned to the same customer number as your SAP Cloud ALM tenant. To check the status of your imports, open the Configuration panel and expand the section Import of subscribed SAP services. Choose the status icon to see all imports. If necessary, you can also start an import on demand by choosing Import My Subscribed SAP Services. This is usually only necessary if recommended by SAP. If you have services that are assigned to a different customer number, for example, as a global ultimate customer, and you want to use one SAP Cloud ALM tenant to monitor other customer numbers in the customer hierarchy, you need to carry out additional steps to ensure that the Landscape Management app has access to the data. To do this, you need to add a so-called CCC S-user by entering your credentials. You can verify that the username and the password are correct and that the S-user has access to the customer number of the SAP Cloud ALM tenant by performing the logon check. The customer numbers you have access to will then be stored in the section Imported Customer Numbers. Initially, the customer name may be missing in this table. If the customer is available in the Cloud Landscape directory, the name will be added with the next daily sync. If only on-premise systems are associated with the customer, the name may not be available in the Cloud Landscape directory, in which case you will only see the customer number here. Please note that these customer numbers are also used for a possible integration with SAP LeanIX, so even if services for a customer number aren't imported, the customer numbers are still stored in the Landscape Management app. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out the links to the documentation on SAP Help Portal and in the SAP Cloud ALM for Operations Expert Portal in the description below. AI-generated audio.